south side from Craig Key to west end of 7 Mile Bridge, Florida Bay, including Barnes Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., a strong thunderstorm with possible waterspouts was located over Man of War Key.
Oh, it's
moving
waterspout.
south at
That's
5 knots.
nice.
Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, cause considerable damage to vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Man of War Key, Sandy Key, Oxford Bank Light, Little Rabbit Key, Sprigger Bank Light, and Carl Ross Key. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down,